Hi everyone, this is Digital SAT Test 5. Uh, as you can see, Digital SAT answering a little different. Okay, so they accept a negative number too. Okay, yeah, over here, answer it. Okay, you can print the negative number, and when you have mixed number, okay, change into an improper fraction, okay, or a decimal, okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, going into practice questions of you, okay, that's too big. There is the right size. Okay, let me see. Oh, this is better. Okay, the number one, a car depreciated by 50% in the first year and additional second year 10% again. Okay, the percentage of original price, yeah, the final price. Okay, how much percent of its original price? So you can define the original price as X or any letter is okay. I'm going to use P. That's fine. This is the original price. 15% depreciate is 1 minus actually 1.15. That is 85%. Okay. The next year 10% again is 1 minus 0.1. Okay. That is our final price. That's okay. Okay. When you take test, you have to use this again. P minus 1 minus 1.5, 0.85, and this is a 0.9, okay? You can go directly, okay? And this is the percentage of original price. So we're gonna calculate this one, okay? So 0.85 times 0.9 is, let me see, 0.25, okay, 765, okay? This is actually 0.765 OP, okay? This is what 76.5% original price. Okay, choice D is the answer. All right, number two, equivalent. We have a quadratic equations. Which one is equivalent? Equivalent is why it has the same solution. Okay, when you take a little bit, they are all what? Perfect square form, right? So complete the square. Maybe you can quickly complete the square where x squared plus 6x separate 3 to the right. So we need some number here, right? To make perfect square trinomial. We set perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomial replaced with what? Perfect squares. Perfect square looks like this one. X plus a half of this number always. X plus 3 square, right? That is the perfect squares. Okay? So they are should be equivalent actually when you expand this with x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay? We need the 9, right, to replace with the perfect square, right? So this is called a perfect square trinomial. When you add the 9, you have to add another number to the right. Okay? So this is perfect squares. This is 12. Take a look. So we have equivalent. Okay? Choice C is the answer. The number three, a company offers a subscription plan for their streaming service. The plan includes $20 monthly fee. Oh, this is a fixed amount, one time, okay? And additional charges of 0.75 cents for every hour watched. So this one is the rate. It comes with the number of hours, definitely, okay? So they use the number of hours each. So 20 plus $0.75 and number of hours each, okay? Maximum is $50, less than or equal, okay? It can be more than 50. So less than or equals 50. That's the answer, okay? We are the answer. Choice A is the answer. Right, this is number 4. We have function over here. And for what value of x? F of x equals 18. Okay, this value is 18, the value of y. Okay, so you can use x squared plus 3x equals 18 minus 18 equals 0, okay? So you need to factor because this is, I think, factorable. So x plus 6, x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, so x equals, we have two values, minus 6 and 3. Where is minus 6? There's no minus 6. Oh, we have a 3 there, okay? Choice is the answer. All right, number 5. So, deck of cards, there are 52 cards with 13 of each suit, okay? So, heart, diamond, club, and spade. You guys know this one, okay? If you draw 2 cards without replacement, okay? Without replacement. What is the probability that both cards are heart? First, we can select one by one, okay? How many heart there? 13 out of 52, right? 13 out of 52. That's the probability, okay, to take out one heart, because we have 13 heart out of 52. So without replacement, after that, there are only 51 cards, and also a number of hearts, one less than before, okay? So it's gonna be 12, okay? So this is the end is multiplication, okay? All right. This is, we already know that 1/4. Okay, this is 4, this is 3. Now we got 3 over 51. I'll continue to work, okay? Divided by 3 is about 1, divided by 3 is 17. So finally we got the probability, okay? 1 over 17 is the answer, okay? This is number 6. A job can be done in 20 hours, but this 20 hours by 4 people. So we define the job volume. Job volume equals what? 20 times. So when you multiply 4, that is 80. That means what? 80 hours for one work. One work. This number is called job volume. Job volume doesn't change, okay? So we have increased by more people. This is going down, okay? This is kind of right. Distance equals speed times t, okay? It's the same thing. Speed is increased, time is less. Okay, now we increase the 4 people, okay, from 4 people. So it takes 10 hours. 10 hours times number of people equals 20 times 4. Anyway, job volume must be equals to 80, okay? So P equals how much? This is 80, and divided by 10 is gonna be equals 8, okay? All right. There are 8 people needed, okay, to finish the job in 10 hours. Here is number 7. Wherever f is defined, but input is a little bit different, okay, not x, x minus 4, okay? When you got the sum x, you take them out 4 over here, okay? So what is the value of f of 2? But this one should be equals to 2, right? So x minus 4 equals 2, the value of x equals 6. When you put this number x equals 6 in this system, so 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 times 6 is 30, and minus 8. That is the value of f of 2, which is equals 22, okay? That's the answer. All right, number 8. 2 years ago, SD was 5 times as old as Carol. Carol is now X years old. We can divide it into 2 now and 2 years ago. Okay, Carol's is SD. This is SD, Carol. Carol's now X years old. But SD is 5 times as old as in 2 years ago, right? Okay, not now. But you're gonna find out Carol's age in 2 years ago is X minus 2. By this time, SD is 5 times this one, 5x minus 10, right? 5 times. Now you're gonna go back now, 5x minus 10 plus 2. So 5x minus 8 is current age, okay? SD, okay. So choice B is the answer, okay? All right, number 9. So we have system of equations. A and B constant. A equals to B. You can use A equals to B. That's fine. So the system has no solutions. No solutions, what that means. When you have an XY plane over here, two lines are parallel, but this different Y intersect. Okay? Yeah, that is no solutions. Same intercept, the line is overlapped. How many solutions are there? Infinite solutions. So many. Okay? Alright, so over here, maybe you can use the formula over here, okay? The ratio of each coefficient, 2 over 2b equals b over 4 means what? They're parallel. But not equals to 10 over 15 means different y-intercept. You can use this formula, okay? From here, you can cross multiplication. 2b squared is 8, b squared is 4, b equals, okay, b squared is 4 one by one, b equals what? Plus or minus 2. But b equals plus minus 2, a is what? Twice. A equals plus minus 4, right? So we have a positive 4 there. Or you can change this one slope intercept form. Change slope intercept form, right? The by equals, this with the by equals negative 2x plus 10. You can divide it by b, negative 2 over bx plus 10 over b. Second one is 4y equals negative b 2bx plus 15. When you divide by 4, negative 2b over 4x and plus 4 over 15. But you're going to make sure, okay? When you got the number over here, they are not equal to this one, okay? Yeah. Anyway, slope is equal, so negative 2 over b must be equals negative 2b over 4, okay? So this is the same things. Negative 2b squared equals 8. Still, b equals 1 plus minus 2. Okay? When you got b equals plus minus 2, they are not equal. Okay? Anyway, choice C is the answer. Okay? I like this method. Okay? That's a shortcut. Here is number 10. Angle A, B, C, R, S, T is similar. A and B correspond RS. A and B, R, and S. So, the value of cosine B. So, this right triangle, angle B is not right. Okay? I'm going to take this as angle B over here. This is A, C, something like this. Cosine angle B is 1 over 2. Cosine is what? Adjacent or hypotenuse. Okay? They're similar. Similar, only to make different size. If this is S and the B corresponding vertex, okay? All right, so we're gonna find the sine S. Because this angle in simulus, they are always equal, okay? So sine S is exactly equals what? Sine B. Same angles. You can find the value of sine B on this figure. Sine B is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is square root 3, okay? So sine B is square root 3 over 2 is the answer, okay? Choice D is the answer. All right, number 11. A store owner is stocking shelves with 30 items. We have 30 items there. This one serves 30 items. This is $5 here and $10 here. Okay, to track total cost, how can the store owner formulate the equation where X represents this is X represents the number over here and the Y represents over here. Okay, what is total cost? Total cost equals, they use the C. Okay, so 5X and plus 10Y, that is total cost. But we are not done express in terms of X. How can you replace Y in terms with X? Yeah, total item is 30. That is another constraint. Okay, so what is the Y? Equals 30 minus X, or X plus Y is 30, okay? Y equals 30 minus X. I'll replace over here. So 5X plus 10 times 30 minus x. So, okay, expand this one. 300 minus 10x, okay, which is equals to what? 300 minus 5x, okay? So choice C is the answer, okay, in terms of x. Okay, move on number 12. Weird questions. Sorry. More. Okay, that is better. Okay, we have the graph of f over x, but we don't have a graph, right? Absolute of f of x, okay? So what is the graph of absolute f of x graph? I'm going to use different color here. Y equals absolute f of x. Where is this graph? When you have a negative number or a negative y value, it must be changing to positive. This is negative over here. You want to make a change it to positive, right? This point 3 over here. Okay? That is the graph of what? Absolute. This is already positive. That's fine. You don't have to change it. But this was still negative over here. We're going to make a positive over around over here. Around the mob here. Looks like this. And here. This is already positive. This is the graph of y equals absolute f of x graph. So you're going to find the intersections with the y equals 3. When we have a y equals 3 over here, this is a y equals 3 graph, horizontal. How many intersections there? 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point. So a lot. Choice D is the answer, okay? All right, number 13. Okay, sorry about a combination of apples, I put the apples and orange, okay? For $30, total cost is $30. Each apples cost $2, and each orange is $3, okay? Sorry about what 10 more apples than orange, okay? So oranges you can use x, 10 more is what? X plus 10 more, right? That's it. All right, so total cost is $30. This is how much over here? This is the number of apples and the number of oranges times, okay? Times. So this is going to be right. 2x plus 10 times 12 is 20. The other one is 3x. Total is how much? 5x plus 20. That is equals to 30, right? So 5x equals 10, x equals 2. Okay, x equals 2. But we are not done. How many apples? This number is, okay? You gotta be careful, underline, okay? Always, to make sure what is being asked. So 2 plus 10, 12 is the answer, okay? Not 2. Here is number 14. $12x squared kx plus 16. Left hand side, right hand side equivalent. Okay, just what they are in different form there, okay? So right hand side is a factored form, the left hand side is a standard form. But they must be equal, right? That means well, for any value of x, they are already equals. So what is the value of k? We're gonna find this value of k in the middle. Right? In the middle form. So you know that you can expand everything, it's fine, but I just want to try this one. 3x, ax, that generated 24x squared, right? Okay, so 3 times one number is 24, 8. You can change this one, this is the 8x. Now compare this one. Constant, how can you find the constant to the right? 4 times b, right? So negative 4 times negative b is what? Positive 16b, oh no, 4b, right? 4b, that is equals to 16. From here, b is how much? 4, isn't it? b is 4. Okay? Now you got this one. I'm going to write one more time to make clear. 3x minus 4 and 8x minus 4, that is equals to 24x squared minus kx plus 16. Now how can you find the middle term? Middle term is over here, right? Negative 32x, negative 12x, that is equals to negative kx. Negative kx is actually equals to negative 44x. Okay? Let me write the value of k. 44, right? Okay, k equals 44. That's the answer. Okay. All right, number 15. Okay, at the beginning there are 500 bacteria in culture. The number of bacteria doubles every 2 hours. This we said double life. Sometimes this is half life. Okay, we said double life. So we have 500. Double life. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? That is double life. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 hours is what? T over 2, right? This number is called double life. Okay? All right. Now in 10 hours, how many bacteria? Okay? This is the number of bacteria. I'm going to use P. Population. Okay. If this is 10 hours, this is 10 hours. 10 over 2 is 5 times 2 over, right? To the 5. 2 to the 5 is what? 32, isn't it? But this one looks like this. Okay? 16,000 is the answer. Number 16, which expression is equivalent? They are factors, right? You need to factor. Okay, this is a common factor anyway. B minus 2. 1 by 1 you can add. 4a cubed minus 8a squared. But this is not. We don't have this one. No equivalent. Okay, still a little more factored. So over here, 4a squared, that is a common factor, right? Move out. 4a squared, we still have a b minus 2 inside. 4a squared is out, we still a left and the minus 2 there, okay? Which one is equivalent to this? 4a squared, a minus 2, b minus 2. Choice B, no. Choice C is the answer, okay? This is a. This is a squared. We did a squared, okay? This is number 17. There are classrooms with 25 and another classrooms with 30 students each. So size different. Class size 25 and 30. Okay, this is the number of students. And the total number of students in the school is 210. So they made these equations. 25x plus 30y equals 240 students. No, I think this is the 240, right? I think that is some mistake, I think. Okay, from here, what does x represent? X is what? The number of classroom, right? What type of classroom? 25 students each. Yeah, we have A over here, okay? This is also number of classroom, but this classroom is what? 30 students each, okay? Different. So choice A is this, okay? Remember, this is, I think, 240, okay? Thank you. The next one, number 18. So we have, okay, some graph over here, okay? So number of absence and test score. Number of absence is what? Getting down, okay? Getting increased to the right, okay? Increase. Test score going down. Yeah, that is true, I think. Not 100% true, okay? Right. But anyway, according to this graph, that's going to down again. Which equation could represent the relations? First of all, you can see that there is negative slope, right? This negative slope is okay. This negative slope This is negative slope. This is positive slope. And also we can see that y-intercept is 100. That's right. Which one is y-intercept is 100? This one is y-intercept is 100. And this one also y equals negative x plus 100, right? 100. This is also what? 2y equals negative 8x plus 200. When you divide by 2, y equals what? Negative 4x plus 100. They are all 100 over here. So finally, we have to check right there slope. Okay, you can ask any, find the slope. What's the slope? You can use this one. This one is 20. This one is what? 5. Okay, the negative slope. So negative 20 over 5. So negative 4 is the slope. Which one has a negative 4 here? Choice C. Okay, that's the answer. Or maybe sometimes we can use a point to the shortcut. I'm going to use this point. When x is 5, y is 80. We can see that over here. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, let's start again. Okay, so which one is satisfied? This one. When x is 5, y is 80. When x is 5, this is negative 40, y equals 60. Not the answer. When x equals 5, y equals 80. This is 5, 80. 85, not working. This is x is 8, 5 is what? 8 times 5 is 40, and plus the y is 16. Right? 80 times 2 is 160. Yeah, that is equals to 100. That's not working, okay? Choice C is the answer. I think that is the best way, right? Choose one point. Any point is okay. It should be what? Lattice point. Lattice point is a cross section of the grid, okay? You have to use that lattice point. Number 19. AD over DC is 3 over 2. This is, if this is a 3, this is a 2. The area of triangle ABC is how many times the area of triangle DEC? I'm going to separate this one. This is the ABC. DEC is small, but they are similar, right? Angle, common angle, and the 90 degree, okay? Angle congruent. They are similar, exactly. But this is 3 plus 2 is 5. This is what? 2. That is the unit ratio of a unit, okay? Not the actual value. But you can use this one. Corresponding length is 5 to 2. The ratio of the area is 5 squared to 2 squared, right? Which is what? 25 over 4. Okay? Actually, this area is 25. The other area should be 4, something like that, okay? Okay, so how many times? 25 over 4 is what? 6.25, okay? The area of this one is what? 6.25 over this area, okay? So you have to use right the ratio of the similar, okay? One more way. If this is the volume, 5 cubed to 2 cubed, okay? Here is number 20. The frequency table present there are on 85 individual. Okay, 85 right there is over here. Which one is in the middle? Because they're asking you to find the median age. First one, last one is 85 and divided by 2. 86 over 2, 43rd student. They are in the middle, right? You can count it from down or top of here, okay? So this is 9 and 22. This is 24. Over here, 46, right? So 43 belongs to over here, okay? Okay. So this is data value. 16 is what median age, okay? Here is the number 21. The equation of circle is a standard form over here. Password what? 2.1. The area of a circle can be expressed by k pi. You know the area of circle is pi r squared should be equals to k pi. That's right. We need to find the radius. Where is the radius? Oh, we have radius there. Pi r, okay, just r squared. How can you find this one? Because this point is on this circle. Put this number in there. You can find the value of r. X is 2. 2 minus 3 squared. Y is 1, 1 plus 4 squared. That is equal to R squared. This is 1, this is 25. That's right. 26 is R squared. Okay, R squared is 26. This is 26. That is K, right? Okay. K equals what? 26 is dense, okay? Here's the number 12. The radius is 12. So say the region is 96 pi. What is the length of a minor arc AB? This is the minor arc. This is the minor arc. Small. This is what? Major arc. This side is a minor arc. What is the circumference? 2 pi r, right? 24 pi. Okay, now let's find the measure of this angle. Total area is what? Pi r square, right? Pi r square, r is 12 square equals to what? 144, isn't it? What is the ratio of this one? Okay, check it out. 96 pi over 144 pi. Pi is out, we can divide it by 48, that is 2, this is 3, right? 2/3. Actually, this is 2/3. The 2/3 is 1/3 is what? Each 1/3 is what? 120 degree, right? 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree. Anyway, 2/3 over here. What is the length this side? 1/3 of this one, okay? So 24 pi times 1/3 equals what? 8 pi is the answer, okay? The number 23. A circular park has a radius 2.5. What is their park in square arc? One mile is 640. 2.5 miles is what? 2.5 times 640 acres. Is okay? Okay. So the next one is, this is anyway new radius. What's the area? Pi r square, right? So pi times 2.5 times 640 square, okay? So we have to use a calculator. Let me see. 2.5 square is what? 6.25, and this something like 36. Okay, we're gonna use calculator. 2.5 times 640 and squares. 256.40. 256.40 over here. Choice D is the answer, okay? All right. This is 24. This is the linear. It's at the linear, right? Constant slope. But there was some translate, okay? The result of translating the function 5 units to the right. If we have this point move to the right. Here, right? Plus 5. Maybe you can check out a new function over here. G of x. This move to the right is 5. This move to the right is 7. This move to the right is what? 5 plus 13, right? But y doesn't change. Still 3, 7, 19, isn't it? But still, this is the linear, right? Okay, this is the linear. Now we're gonna find x-intercept. You can use, okay, slope, and after you find the equations, and to find out x-intercept again. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna use the y slope. X-intercept is, if this is x, y equals 0, right? That is another point over here. You're gonna find this number, okay? What's the slope over here? 7 minus 3 is what? 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. That's the slope. Okay? So 19 minus 0 is 19. 13 minus x, that is a change in x. That's the slope, right? So this is 2. So 19 equals what? 2 times both sides. Okay, this is 2 times here. 26 minus 2x. Okay. There's no answer. Let me see. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. 19 minus 0, 19 minus x. 19 equals 26 minus 2x. Okay, that's fine. 2x is moved to the right. So 19 minus 26 is what? 7, right? So when you divide it by 2, x equals 7 over 2. Okay, 7 over 2 is the x-intercept. Or you can find the equation of this line. Slope is 2 already. So you can use the y equals 2x plus b. After that, find out y-intercept using any numbers. When x is 5, y equals 3, okay? Y equals 3. When x is 5, it's 10 plus b. So b equals how much? Negative 7, isn't it? The equation is now y equals 2x minus 7. Okay? From here, to find the x-intercept, y is 0, okay? Y equals 0. 2x minus 7. From here, 2x equals 7 and x equals 7 over 2. Okay? Or you can use the original equation. After that, translate. Because this one is slope is 4, right? 7 minus 3, 2 minus slope is 2. So we already got y-intercept. Y-intercept, the equation is y equals 2x plus 3, isn't it? After that, translate to the right is what? 5. So the equation should look like this. To the right is already x minus 5. Okay? That is to the right. So this one equals to y equals 2x minus 10 plus 3 is what? 2x minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. Okay, from here, this is what? The equation of this y or g of x. Now put this number y is 0. 2x minus 7 from here. So x equals still 7 over 2. Okay, you can use this way too. All right, number 25. So we have a quadratic negative 2x squared plus 10x minus k. K is constant. Y equals 15 is actually 1 point. This is graph is what? Up and downward. To have only 1 point, it should look like this. Y equals 15. This is y equals negative 2x squared minus 10x minus k. This is to have 1 point. This is actually what? Vertex, right? When x is some value of x, highest y coordinate should be 15, isn't it? That's it. Okay. But this point x is what? X over symmetry. From here, can you find x over symmetry? Negative b over 2a, okay? So negative 10 over 2 times negative 2. How much? 2 times negative 2 is what? 10 over 4 equals 2.5. Okay? Now put this number in here. It should be equals 15, right? So negative 2, 2.5 is 5 over 2. I'm going to use this one, 5 over 2. 5 over 2 and the square plus 10 times 5 over 2 and minus k should be equals 15, right? To have only one intersection. That is the value of k. Okay, this is what? Negative 2, 25 over 4 and this is 25 and minus k equals 15. This is actually how much? This is 1 and 2. Negative 12.5 and plus 25 minus k equals 15. What is the k? K to the right. K equals how much? Negative 12.5 plus 25 minus 15 again. Okay. So negative 12.5, negative 15, negative 27.5 plus 25 equals k. So k equals how much? Negative 2.5, okay? Choice A is the answer. I think another method, if you understand their discriminant. You can use discriminant too. So discriminant is negative 2x squared plus 10x minus k equals 15. Okay, minus 0. Okay, this is quadratic. So I'm going to write down negative 2x squared plus 10x and minus k plus 15 equal 0, right? This is A, this is B, this is C, right? What is discriminant? B squared minus 4 times AC, isn't it? B squared is 100. 4 times A is negative 2. C is still negative. Okay? And what is negative K, negative 50, same as this one. Must be equal to 0, right? Discriminant D equals 0, right? Okay. Not positive. Okay, exactly 1 point. So we're going to solve this one. The 100 equals negative, negative, positive 8, and minus k minus 50 equals 0. So I'm going to move to the right. Equals what? K plus 50. Okay? This is what? 8k plus 120. That is 100. So 8k equals 100. Minus 120 minus 1 minus 20, right? So k equals 1, negative 2.5. Okay? That's the same thing. Here we go, number 26. The area of equilateral triangle is 225 and red 3. Okay, what is the height of this triangle? This side, this is equilateral triangle if they are all s, same length. What's the height of it? This is 60 degree, which is what? Special right triangle, right? If this is s, this is 1 over s. So s over 2, okay? S over 2. 1 over 2 times s. Half of that, this one is what? S of 2, red 3, isn't it? That's the height. Now, how can you find the height? Okay, this is height actually. Height is what? S over 2, red 3, okay? How can you find the S? The area is given 225 square root 3. How can you find the area? S times, this is S. S times S over 2, red 3, that's your height. And times 1/2, right? Divided by 2. Times 1/2. That is equals to 225 and red 3, okay? Now simplify this one. 4 square root 3, okay? 2 is 4, and square root 3, and s squared equals to 225 square root 3, okay? So what is the value of s? Okay, this is out. S squared is times 4 is what? 4, 225 times 4. 900, okay? So S equals 30. But we are not done. This is the height. Height equals what? 30 over 2 and red 3, okay? This is a 15 red 3, isn't it? Choice B is the answer. But that's a shortcut. Remember, the area of equilateral triangle with the length is S over here, always S squared red 3 times 4. That's the area. If you start from here, it will save time, right? That equals to 225 red 3. This red 3 is out. Okay, so S squared is what? 900. S is 30. If this is 30, this is half of that, 150. This is what? 150, 30. Not 300, right? So 15 times red 3, okay? Special right triangle. You can solve it this way. That is the easier way, okay? Okay, we're gonna try number. Okay, this is number 27. X squared plus y squared is 56, and y equals square root x. So over here, we can say y squared equals to x. Okay, replace over here. Okay, so x squared plus x equals 56. X squared plus x and minus 56 equals 0. Okay, you can factor, right? It's a factor. So x plus 8, x minus 7 equals 0. So we have two values of x. X equals negative 8, x equals 7. Okay, but inside the letter cannot have a what? Negative number. Okay, this is not working. So this is only one answer. Okay, all right. So So x equals 7 is the answer, okay? Thank you. Okay, we finished our module 1 today, okay? So next time we're gonna try module 2 of test 5, okay? Okay, thanks for joining the class, okay? I'll see you next time.